Hello, magandang hapon po. We've been here sa Fox Glacier. We reached this siguro mga 30 minutes ago. And we're just trying to give ourselves a rest. Medyo napagod. It's about 1.5 hour estimated walk. Pero inabot kami ng more than 2 hours because of some, of course, photos, videos along the way, and of course meeting people along the way. Nakapagod si Isaac, medyo drained na. I know he's hungry, and we still need to go back for another maybe 2 hours siguro, pinaka mabilis ulit. So I'm keeping up, my heart is pumping and it's keeping up. At least kinaya ko ang ganong kalayo na paglalakad. It's hindi naman, it's an easy path naman kasi wala naman talagang pataas. It's just nice walk na may mga pathways, medyo may mataas, medyo mababa, but it's quite ano naman, easy naman. Well, so this is our catch after that walk. You got to see a nearer view of the mountains, snow-capped mountains, and of course this is a so-called Fox Glacier. Nasa river siya. However, hindi matigas ang yellow, so we couldn't step on it. So, pero kanina nakuha kami ng mga yellow. Mark went down and get mga bits or pieces ng yellow, maybe about a tile 12 inches tile size. Then he gave it to Isaac. Pagod na rin, he's just playing his iPhone right now, but it's amazing that we are able to reach. Wala kaming practice, although every night in Wigram we really walk about a kilometer, half a kilometer against the cold weather. Siguro isa na sa practice yon. And siguro my experience of hiking then before during my younger years, and of course at least you anticipate kung anong gagawin mo, and you know the do's and don'ts. Plus the fact na ay tumakbo rin naman ako, kaya at least I know how to control my breathing, and I think my doctor would be proud of me having injured this to my cardio, Dr. Alvin Lim. He'll be proud of me because I conquered this path. It's quite long actually, and an Italian, a very beautiful Italian friend that she's Australian, right? Australian friend told us na it's really nasipon na ako. A long walk pero okay naman. Fulfilling daw, and totoo naman pala na very fulfilling ang pinagdaanan namin. So a lot of people are here still resting. In a while I'll be ending this because my battery is already drained. So thank you for watching, and God bless you all. Isaac, please say hi to everyone. We did it strong, right? Give me a strong fist bump. Okay. Love you all. Salud, Fuerza Union.